Got a tiny balcony or patio? You can still grow a lush vertical garden. Today, I'll show you 13 climbing plants that thrive in pots and quickly turn small spaces into green, vibrant walls. With the right choices and simple care, your vertical oasis starts right here. At number 13, the scarlet runner bean, an easy, fast-growing climber with striking red flowers and edible pods. Plant it in a large pot with rich, well-draining soil, full sun, and a sturdy trellis. Keep the soil moist and watch it shoot upward. At number 12, the cup and saucer vine, a fast, dramatic climber with lush foliage and unique bell-shaped blooms that shift from green to deep purple. Start seeds early, give it a large pot, full sun, moist soil, and a sturdy trellis, and it will explode with growth. At number 11, the passion flower, a stunning, alien-looking climber that can even produce passion fruit. Give it a very large pot, rich, well-draining soil, full sun, steady moisture, and a strong trellis. With a little feeding, it'll explode with exotic blooms. At number 10, the trumpet vine, a powerful, fast-growing climber with blazing orange to red blooms that hummingbirds love. Grow it in a big, sturdy pot with full sun, regular watering, and strong support. With firm pruning, it delivers a dramatic, tropical show. At number 9, common jasmine, a fast-growing climber with star-shaped white blooms and an unforgettable fragrance. Planted in well-draining soil, give it full sun to light shade, steady moisture, and a trellis to climb. With regular feeding and pruning, it becomes a beautifully scented screen. At number 8, honeysuckle, a fragrant, pollinator-loving climber with tubular blooms in creams, yellows, and pinks. Grow it in a large pot with well-draining soil, full sun or partial shade, steady moisture, and post-bloom pruning. With support, it becomes a colorful, sweet-smelling screen. At number 7, bougainvillea, the queen of tropical color. Bursting with vibrant paper-like bracts, it thrives in pots with tight roots, excellent drainage, and tons of direct sun. Feed it often and keep the soil slightly dry. In return, it delivers an unrivaled explosion of color. At number 6, English ivy, a classic evergreen climber that brings lush, year-round foliage. In pots, it stays controlled, thriving even in partial to full shade. Use a wide, shallow container with good drainage, keep the soil moist, and enjoy a reliable green screen anywhere. At number 5, wisteria, the stunning spring showstopper with long, fragrant cascades of purple or white blooms. Grow it in a very large pot with strong support, full sun, steady watering, low nitrogen feeding, and regular pruning. With care, it rewards you with spectacular flowers. At number 4, climbing hydrangea, an elegant vine with lush, heart-shaped leaves and floating clusters of white flowers. Ideal for partial shade. Grow it in a large, well-draining pot, keep roots cool and moist, and guide it on a trellis for timeless beauty. At number 3, Virginia creeper, a fast-growing vine with 5-leaflet foliage that dazzles in crimson and scarlet each fall. Perfect for pots, it thrives in sun or partial shade with good drainage. Provide sturdy support, regular watering, and prune to keep it in check. At number 2, morning glory, a cheerful, fast-growing vine with trumpet-shaped blooms in blues, pinks, and purples. Plant it in a well-draining pot, give it a trellis and full sun, keep soil moist but not soggy, and watch a magical, colorful display unfold all season. Taking the top spot, clematis, the queen of climbers with stunning blooms in every shape, size, and color. Grow compact varieties in a large, well-draining pot with the trellis, sun for the vine, shade for the roots, regular watering, and feeding for a spectacular floral display. And there you have it, 13 incredible climbing plants for your balcony or patio. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Which of these climbers will you try? Or do you have another favorite? Share in the comments. Even a small balcony or patio holds huge potential. With the right climber and a little care, you can create a living wall of color and fragrance. Start planting, watch it grow upward, and enjoy your personal green oasis. Happy gardening!
Thanks for watching. Happy nice day.